Now remember, you're a small business owner if you're freelancing in the gig economy, they call it now today. You've got a small gig on the side, driving for Uber, maybe selling something on the internet. That's a small business. Now the auto deduction is a huge part of that. I want to make sure that all my small business owners write off the auto in the most advantageous way. Now you really have two options. The first one is going mileage, and the second is writing off the actual expenses like depreciating the car and writing off fuel, repairs, and maintenance. Now under mileage in 2018, the deduction is 54.5 cents per mile. Now if you go with the actual method, you get to depreciate the car, and the rules are better than they've ever been in 2018 to actually depreciate the car, and you can almost do it in about 3 years, 75 to 85% of the car in the first 3 to 4 years. That's awesome. So what you have to do is kind of analyze your situation. If you're putting on a lot of miles, I usually go the mileage method. Not so many miles and maybe over 50% use of the car for business, we're going to go with an actual method. So run the numbers, see which method is best for you, and once you choose one, you're stuck with it. But it's a great deduction as a small business owner.